Rooftop weather, sponsored by Preferred Home Services.
Taking a trip to the roof on this Wednesday. It's a little bit cloudy out there. Some of you that were asking for more sun, we're not going to see too much of it for today, but we're going to see it when it matters this upcoming weekend. At the moment, 77 degrees at the current moment. As we head into just around noon, we're clearing out those clouds once again for your Friday and Saturday, and even Sunday. It's going to get quite warm, nearing 90. Before then, we do see our first and only round of showers and storms coming up for this week, tonight into early tomorrow morning. We'll take a closer look at that coming up soon, but for now we continue your News 2 midday.
Now, Count on 2, live and local in the Lowcountry. This is News 2 Midday.
Hey, good afternoon. Thanks so much for watching this extended edition of News 2 Midday. Today is Wednesday, April 29th. I'm Temple Ricke. Big losses reported by Boeing. Layoffs and reductions in plane production could be coming as the company reports a 26% drop in revenue in the first quarter of 2020. Now the company is expected to cut about 10% of its workforce and cut 787 production in half. The plane manufacturer says the losses in the first quarter are because of the 737 MAX grounding and the COVID-19 pandemic, leading to a drop in air travel and jet sales. New this morning, an iconic restaurant is leaving Shem Creek. RB Seafood is closing its doors permanently. Owner Ronnie Bowles says leaving the restaurant business behind after 60 years is bittersweet, but he's ready to retire. RB's has been a part of Shem Creek since 1979. The property sold for $7 million. State health officials now confirm 6 deaths and 76 COVID-19 cases at a Hanahan nursing home. The city started working to address issues at Heartland Health and Rehab Center about 3 weeks ago. This includes reusing and not properly cleaning personal protective equipment like masks and gloves. Mayor Christy Rainwater says her team is working to make sure recommendations are put into place.
I'm hoping that what we have done and the steps that we have taken, you will start to see a decline in another week or two. But unfortunately, the things that were going on, that's exactly what we're seeing right now, are the results of those numbers spiking.
When we reached out to Heartland last week, they told us they are teaching staff how to properly use and dispose of their personal protective equipment. 9 inmates diagnosed with coronavirus at the Charleston County Jail. All are in quarantine in the jail's medical unit. This brings the total to 11 inmates who have tested positive for COVID-19. 2 detention center employees have also tested positive. Officials say preventative measures and isolation protocols are in place at the Alcannon Detention Center. Rapid testing devices are now in the hands of agencies across the state, including the Alcannon Detention Center. DX says the devices can provide results in 15 to 20 minutes. News 2's Olivia Parsons explains that the testing equipment has been shipped to all 50 states. Trident Medical Center is now participating in a national study. It's looking into whether plasma from recovered COVID-19 patients can help patients with severe life-threatening cases. Anyone who tested positive for COVID-19 and is now testing negative is encouraged to donate plasma through the Red Cross. A South Carolina pharmacist says panic buying has led to pharmacists having a hard time filling hydroxychloroquine prescriptions. The drug is used for lupus and arthritis. The pharmacist also says part of the issue is people wanting to try and treat COVID-19 at home.
Please don't do that. This is not something to do at home. They came, they asked, they called. Is it available? Can we get it in our next refill? Can we get it a little early?
Sam Ibrahim says his pharmacy is talking with doctors to make sure the medicine is used properly. The FDA warns the drug can cause heart problems and not to take it outside of the hospital. Take a look at your screen. South Carolina is the only state to fail when it comes to social distancing. That's according to the social distancing scoreboard put together by Unicast. We received a D in reducing mobility, an F when it comes to non-essential visits, and an F in having less than a 40% decrease in encounters compared to the nationwide rate. We looked into how 6 low-country counties measured up. Charleston County has a C. Williamsburg and Colleton counties scored a C-. Georgetown County coming in with a D. Berkeley County earned a D-, and Dorchester County the lowest score with an F. A new executive order issued by Governor Henry McMaster. The new guidelines close school buildings for the rest of the school year. The order allows truckers to drive more hours and carry heavy loads, and it does postpone elections set for May 5th and May 12th. The search for a missing diver is underway today. The Coast Guard says they've received a request for helicopter assistance from the Beaufort County Sheriff's Office around 4 in the afternoon on Tuesday. Officials say they are searching for a 49-year-old last seen in a black scuba suit. If you have any information, you're asked to contact the Coast Guard Sector Charleston Command Center. That number is 843-740-7050.
To Your Health, sponsored by Summerbee Senior Living.
The air travel industry is being hit hard by the coronavirus. In the past 6 weeks, 2,700 planes were grounded with passenger volume falling below 95%. This is sending the air travel industry into an economic fiasco. NBC's Tom Costello has the story. Hey, well, sounds like it's going to be a great weekend. Still a great day if you're heading out for a social distancing walk. Thanks so much for joining us on News 2 Midday. The news continues online at counton2.com.